Okay, so I downloaded this Malwarebytes. Someone recommended that I try this on the stream. I'm curious if I found anything different compared to Trend Micro. View scan results. I don't think these are all of my files. I'm pretty sure I have more files than that. So it's only the trial version. See, trial is 14 days left. So maybe it scans deeper and more files. I don't know if you get. I didn't look at the other packages. Maybe I'll show it. I do not plan on buying this, obviously, but I just wanted to test it out. So I'm trying to figure out. I don't want to skip anything. One thread. Compromise device and slow it down. Hopefully they let me resolve it. So I'm just recording. This is my first time doing this. It said one thread resolved. PUP. So blocking out, some things over here. But so what is it? Hold on. What is it? Someone mentioned PUP. And I'm gonna take screenshots too. Hmm. Quarantine or delete. But I think it deleted, right? I think it deleted. Detection history. Well, it's not showing up there. This. Should I delete? I think I'll leave it on quarantine for now. But I'll research this more because I've been curious. I've been trying to figure out why my computer's been slower. Anyway, I just figured I'd show this here. So, something interesting there, obviously. Because I noticed that when I first started, when I first installed, first off, it was the BlueStacks. That's the emulator to play Android games. There's that, and then after that, I installed the LD player, right? So I'll close this out. I installed the LD player 9, which is this here. And like I'm thinking ever since I installed those, that's when the computer started to get slower. And these are like, I don't know, freaking Chinese servers. I don't know. Dude, I wish they would just make a full console game, but for some reason they won't. Japan won't. But instead there's like these weird Chinese Android games. So which I dude, that's why I don't even trust Marvel Rivals either. I should scan that. But nothing, nothing against the Chinese or anything like that. But just like certain things, I don't know. I can't trust in terms of spying and things like that. I don't know what could be out there. So I want to try out the Malwarebytes. I might go ahead and uninstall it, but I'll make sure I will get a screenshot of that, and I'll save that and do research on it. But now I know what to look for. So, and someone in my chat mentioned PUP, Dr. Baldwin as always. So thanks. I'll check it out. Right now I'm cooking dinner right now. It's freaking late, 9:01. I'm cooking roasted vegetables, shrimp, and fish. So stay tuned for that video. I'm actually adding these cooking videos to my animation website now. I added a new tab. Unfortunately, I need to get my own domain. I'm still using WordPress, but I recently logged into WordPress. It was terrible, man. They've updated, and it's just like much more difficult to use now. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. New cooking video. But that's all. I just wanted to test it out, this Malwarebytes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.